Hi everyone! Today we're making the cutest Christmas cakes. They don't require any eggs, you don't need an electric mixer, and besides looking beautiful on your holiday table, they make your whole house smell just like Christmas. To start, add half a cup or 120 grams of hot milk, 1/3 of a cup or 110 grams of honey or molasses, and 2 tablespoons or 25 grams of vegetable oil. Stir until everything is well combined and set this liquid mixture aside. Now let's prepare the dry ingredients. In a large bowl, we need to sift 1½ cups or 180 grams of flour, 1/4 cup or 50 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon or 6 grams of cocoa powder, and 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. Then we'll add our holiday spices. Add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, which is optional, 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, also optional, and a small pinch of salt. If you don't want to use any spices at all, you can simply add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to the wet ingredients. But honestly, these classic spices give these cakes a special Christmas flavor. Mix the dry ingredients until everything looks evenly distributed. Then, pour the liquid mixture on top and gently stir the batter with a whisk. Mix only until it just comes together because we don't want to overmix. This is how we keep the cakes soft and fluffy. Now, lightly grease 12 silicone molds. Just a little non-stick cooking spray is enough to ensure the mini cakes unmold perfectly. Divide the batter evenly among the 12 molds and smooth the top. Bake these in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 12 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. The baking time may vary a bit depending on your oven. Let the cakes cool for about 10 minutes, remove them from the silicone liners, and let them cool completely at room temperature. Now we're creating the final touch, the chocolate topping. Heat 1 cup or 150 grams of white chocolate in the microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring until fully melted. If you don't have experience tempering chocolate, I highly recommend using a coating type that doesn't require it. It's much simpler. Spread the melted white chocolate into the bottom of each silicone mold. Work on one mold at a time, and gently press the cake on top. Make sure to place the cake back in the same position it was baked in, with the flat side down. Repeat this with all the cakes. Then place the tray in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the chocolate is completely firm. This timing can vary a bit, but the chocolate must be fully set before unmolding. Remove the cakes from the molds, and you'll have a perfect white chocolate top on each one. If you still have some melted white chocolate left, divide it into 2 small bowls. If not, melt around 30 to 40 grams more. Tint 1 part green and the other red. A very important tip here, the food coloring must be oil-based or fat-soluble, not water-based. Always check the packaging to make sure it's made for chocolate. Water-based coloring will cause the chocolate to seize and turn into a thick paste, so this detail is super important. Transfer each colored chocolate to a small piping bag with just a tiny opening. Pipe a quick zigzag motion, going from smaller to larger lines to create a cute Christmas tree design on top of each cake. Finish with a red dot on top of each tree for the final touch. Place the cakes in the fridge for just a few minutes, only until the chocolate sets. And that's it! Easy Christmas mini cakes, made without eggs and without an electric mixer, with a cute Christmas tree on top, perfect to decorate your holiday table and impress your guests. If you enjoyed this easy Christmas recipe, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple desserts. Bye!